In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the ChatGPT app in 2025. Whether you're a professional looking to optimize your workflow or just curious to explore AI applications personally, this guide will help you set up ChatGPT on your Windows device easily and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and head over to Google. Just type Google into the address bar if it's not already set as your homepage. This is the quickest way to navigate to this ubiquitous search engine, which will get us one step closer to installing the app. Once you're on Google, click right into the search bar and type in ChatGPT app for Windows. This will help us locate the specific page where the app is available for download. You'll find a number of results, but ours will be labeled ChatGPT, free download, and install on Windows. Locate this link and click on it. This will take you to the page where you'll find all the details necessary for downloading the ChatGPT app onto your system. Now, from this page, look out for the download button. This is usually prominently displayed, so it should be straightforward to find. Click on Download, and the download process will kick off almost immediately. The file typically won't be too large, so it should only take a few moments to download depending on your internet speed. After the file has finished downloading, you'll need to navigate to your Downloads folder, or simply check at the bottom of your browser for the downloaded file notification. Click on this file, which should start the installation process automatically. At this point, your computer might ask you for a confirmation to proceed with the installation. If that's the case, just go ahead and click Yes or Allow. The installation process itself is quite automatic. Once you open the file, it will guide you through the necessary steps. There's not much input required from you during this stage, so just allow the installer to carry on its work. Finally, with the installation complete, click Open to launch the ChatGPT app for the first time. You should now have a fully functional ChatGPT application ready and waiting for you to use. Dive in and begin exploring all the capabilities that ChatGPT has to offer. And there you have it, a simple, easy-to-follow process for getting ChatGPT set up on your Windows device. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy your new AI assistant.